Hello and welcome to this brand new show called The Noise this week, where we're going to bring to you everything that makes noise on Indian and international television media. But before we take a deep dive into what happened this past week, let's have a look at some of the highlights.
इस लेखक ने अपने ट्वीट में जिस एसहोल्स शब्द का जिक्र किया है, हम इसका हिंदी अनुवाद तो नहीं करेंगे, ना ही करें तो बेहतर होगा.
That's the legitimate question on the news tonight. Supreme Commander Rahul Gandhi.
Two weeks ago, TMC parliamentarian Mahua Moitra delivered a fiery speech highlighting signs of fascism in the Lok Sabha, and people were still talking about it when Zee News editor-in-chief claimed to have unearthed something about it.
रिसर्च में वो हमसे ऊपर नहीं हो सकती, क्योंकि आप जानते हैं डीएनए में रिसर्च पर सबसे ज्यादा जोर दिया जाता है. और जब आज हमने इस पर रिसर्च किया तो हमारा रिसर्च महुआ मित्रा के रिसर्च पर भारी पड़ गया और उनकी पोल खुल गई. और महुआ मित्रा ने जिन मुद्दों को लेकर भाषण दिया, उसके विचार उन्होंने अमेरिका की एक वेबसाइट से चुराए थे. यानी ऐसे नेता भाषणों में भी अपनी विचारधारा डालने के लिए विदेशों से शब्द चुरा रहे हैं.
It's a different thing altogether that Mahua during her speech had actually cited the source to which Zee News editor said this.
आज हम महुआ मोइत्रा से ये पूछना चाहेंगे कि उन्होंने अपने भाषण के सोर्स का जिक्र शुरुआत में क्यों नहीं किया, अंत में क्यों किया.
And he didn't stop there. He went on to quote the tweet of Martin Longman, according to Zee News, whose article Mahua Moitra had actually plagiarized.
मार्टिन लॉन्गमैन नाम के इस आदमी ने लिखा है, I'm internet famous in India because a politician is being falsely accused of plagiarizing me. It's kind of funny, but right-wing assholes seem to be similar in every country. इस लेखक ने अपने ट्वीट में जिस एसहोल्स शब्द का जिक्र किया है, हम इसका हिंदी अनुवाद तो नहीं करेंगे, ना ही करें तो बेहतर होगा.
And in the words of Longman, it's kind of funny that the editor went on to read everything, including the expletive. The other big news this past week, of course, was the formal resignation of Congress President Rahul Gandhi, who shared his resignation letter on Twitter. And this is how TV anchors reacted to his letter.
Because Rahul Gandhi has quit, he will empower the other weaklings to pick the next chief. Isn't it quite clear from this that Rahul Gandhi continues to retain control despite his farce of a resignation and his abdication?
Is this the first chapter of a stupid political drama? I don't know, is he on with us? Well, Tom is disconnected, but I'm asking my first question anyway. I mean, that's stupid, Rahul Gandhi. In the country of your mother's origin, Italy, if someone were to lose an election, would they write a letter in Italian saying, well, I lost the election, but the result is wrong?
कई न्यूज चैनल्स में शोक की लहर है. कई अखबारों के न्यूज रूम सूने पड़े हैं. स्क्रीन काली करने वाले पत्रकार सदमे में चले गए हैं.
देखें अंधेरा है या नहीं.
नमस्कार, मैं रविश कुमार. राहुल गांधी ने आज अपने ट्विटर अकाउंट का परिचय बदल लिया. कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष हटा दिया और वहां कांग्रेस का सदस्य और सांसद लिख दिया.
Well, he seems to be doing fine. Let's continue the same story on Times Now.
From stepping down as chief, has the Congress elevated the status of Rahul Gandhi as the Supreme Commander? That's the legitimate question on the news tonight. Supreme Commander Rahul Gandhi.
And on CNN News 18, barely a month after Prime Minister Narendra Modi's mammoth victory in the Lok Sabha polls, the Congress party seems to have already lost the 2024 elections post Rahul Gandhi's resignation.
Many are now saying that with his decision of stepping down as the president of the Congress party, that 2024 mission, which many thought could have been possible after a 10-year-long spell of Narendra Modi, that 2024 mission also is now looking like mission impossible.
Moving on to the union budget for the financial year 2019-20, Zee News had a rather interesting portrayal of Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman.
बना के ना वो समझते हैं जी काम हो गया. वो साडा जड़ा कारोबार है ना, दुनिया का आखिरी कारोबार. जाके देखो कारोबार होते क्या हैं. हम मतलब जिसको कारोबार कहते हैं एप्पल का बिजनेस, अकेला एप्पल का बिजनेस पाकिस्तान के सारे बजट से पता नहीं कितने गुना ज्यादा है। तो ये भी तो देखे ना
सर, ये मैंने सुना था
कि बिजनेस किस लेवल की
इतनी सारी इकसाम है।
तो एप्पल मोबाइल की बात हो रही है इस वक्त ना, तो ये नहीं कि तुमने खाने वाले एप्पल की बात कर दी। तो अब नतीजा ये।
That's all we had for you on this episode of The Noise this week. Thank you so much for watching. See you next week.